kamu.
Oke.
Bareng-bareng ya. Hi everyone. My name is Gianna. I am 4 years old. Today I'm gonna make Straciatella ice cream.
Woo! Straciatella ice cream. So these are the ingredients that we need.
Milk,
250 milliliters,
sugar,
150 grams,
heavy cream,
500 mils,
pinch of salt,
yeah,
vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, 6 egg yolks.
These are the ingredients, guys.
So this is the bowl we're gonna use. I'm gonna put in the milk. All of the milk. Sugar.
All of the sugar.
Okay, maybe. Half of the cream. Wait, I cannot do half of the cream. Put all.
I already divided it.
Oh, you already divided it. Pinch of salt. And then we're gonna heat this mixture over medium heat. I really want to mix it. We will put it right here.
Can you turn it on?
Nope.
P. Just medium heat. Keep stirring.
Don't forget to keep stirring, guys, until all the sugar dissolves. Done?
Not yet. It's still cold. You need more time.
We need it to be hot.
Until it's quite hot and all the sugar dissolve. Jangan keep stirring ya. But remember, don't touch the
Pot. It's not heavy, but it's quite soundy. Done? Done? Done, ma? Done? Done, ma? Done?
Yeah, it's already hot. Great job.
Dan harus pakai ini dong.
Nanti tunggu hangat dulu ya.
Udah hangat. Sendok karet, sendok karet, sendok karet, sendok karet, sendok karet. Aku mau sendok biasa. And now we're gonna pour this hot mixture into our egg yolks.
Kita pindahin sini dulu ya.
Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama. Eggy, eggy, egg. Come on, eggy, eggy, egg. Eggy, eggy, egg.
The egg yolks that makes the ice cream rich.
Rich. Guys, please whisk.
Nah ya, mama tuangin ya.
Ayo, Ma. All of
Little
them?
by little. While keep stirring. Because we don't want the eggs to be cooked. Ah, great teamwork.
Whoa, you're making a big spiral. It's like a whirlpool.
Okay, and now we're gonna pour it back to the pan.
And now I'm gonna pour it back into the pan.
Jana, help turn it on again. Make it 160.
I can.
Press minus, press minus.
Minus.
Lagi sampai 160. Okay. We are making custard.
We need to keep stirring. We don't want to get scrambled eggs.
We want to get smooth, luscious, creamy, thick mixture. Yes.
So if the mixture looks like this, and if it looks like this, it means it's done.
There is one ingredient that we haven't put in the mixture, and it is
Vanilla.
vanilla.
And now we're gonna put this hard mixture into our remaining cream.
1, 2, 3. Pour, 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 pour the custard.
Ma. We strain the mixture because we want to get rid of the lumps.
Those are the lumps. The eggs. See? You see them?
Yeah, I see the lumps. I'm gonna keep stirring until until it's well mixed. I'm going to check the temperature, guys. 35. We're going to pour this mixture into our ice cream machine. Let's pour this into our ice cream machine. Can I?
Whoop.
Oh no!
I know. Let's turn the machine on. Nih, Jana cetek. The other one. There. Okay.
Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare the chocolate. This is the chocolate that you use. It's the couverture chocolate. You can use milk chocolate instead, but the result is gonna taste sweeter. Wait, and now this is the boiling part. We have to wait. This takes so long. Mama is preparing the chocolate, and we're gonna put the melted chocolate when the mixture looks fluffier.
Hooray! The Straciatella ice cream is ready now, and Jana can't wait to taste it. Can you? Alright guys, hope you tried the recipe. Hope you like it as much as we do. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Yay!